There was wild celebration on Monday in Gulu City after President Museveni cleared Lieutenant General Charles Otema to contest in the 2026 general election. Lieutenant General Charles Otema, the reserve force commander, has shown interest to contest as the area member of parliament for Gulu City West Division. The post is currently being occupied by Martin MapendUzi. Recently, MapendUzi crossed to the ruling National Resistance Movement Party. However, the party Secretary General Richard Todwong says those interested to contest on NRM ticket will have to go through the party primary election. Others who have shown interest to contest on the NRM ticket include Michael Acholi, the former Clark County Member of Parliament, and Robinson Ogairi. In June 2023, MapendUzi signed a cooperation agreement to work with the ruling party and was received by Richard Todwong, the party's Secretary General. In Parliament, the legislator resigned his position as chairperson Public Accounts Committee for Local Government, which he was appointed by National Unity Platform (NUP). Immediately during one of the plenary sittings, Amson Obwa Dennis, the government chief whip, pronounced that MapendUzi had been designated as the chairperson Public Service Commission, a position he holds to date. The Electoral Commission has so far designated July this year as the demarcation of electoral areas, while an update of the voters register is slated for July 2025. Presidential nomination has been designated for October 2nd and 3rd, 2025, while the election will be conducted on January 12, 2026, according to the roadmap to the general election released by the Electoral Commission. In a related development, the Democratic Party President Norbert Mauer has also declared his intention to host Reverend Father Charles Onen as the area member of parliament for Gulu City East Division.